just gonna do a video for you today. And if you're wondering who that is, that's just my cousin. Say hi.
Hi.
And that is, but he doesn't want to be seen. And that's my sister. And we're just gonna show you the dogs, aren't we?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't tell me.
All right. Can we go outside, please?
What's on your face?
What? Where?
Oh, the castle of my tree. My dad's tree.
Yeah, you got lunch back there. Off you go.
Okay.
No cheese? Yeah. Okay. Put down
Here,
there.
where are they? Oh, there's one. That's Eva. And that's Daisy. And go out and... Hi. Ooh. Ay, ay, ay.
I don't have any cards this time.
Can you see them?
Pick me.
Okay, who are you going to send that to someone?
Sam, she's putting on YouTube.
Okay, we'll do a bit more.
Okay, I'm going to be in this.
Dancing. You're just being crazy dancing.
Sam, will you stop shaking head?
My dog bit me. My dog actually bit me. Okay, that's enough now.
Yeah.
Wait, Dad, for once my dog bit me.
Just this much.
Okay then, bye. We'll do much more videos very soon. We might do a video when we take them for a walk, won't we?
Yeah.
You know my dog has bit me. My dog has bit me.
Yeah. Okay, everyone, you need to say bye to YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
Bye.
Bye, YouTube.
Bye.